For me, when I look at Plant of Tomorrow idea, I've seen a great opportunity, a huge benefit for plant in terms of cost reduction and especially in terms of maintenance. And we've come to, an idea whereby we are now working with SEM in terms of developing something on predictive maintenance on key equipment in our Iwekoro plant. So this we plan to finish by end of Q1 in 2020, and a step further after after the success in this proof of concept is to launch across plant in Iwekoro. Then we can see the benefit, and at the end of the day, before the end of 2020, I really want to replicate same idea in our other plant, Famosin Calabar in Nigeria. This will be my must-win 3 objectives for 2020 in terms of Plant of Tomorrow.